Bakit ang daming sakit ngayon? Kahit lagnat lang, nakakatakot na.
Kailan lang, matinding ba ang problema? Ngayon, matinding tagpuyot. Ang laking epekto sa atin.
Ang hirap intindihin ng panahon ngayon. Binabagyo pag tag-init, tuyo pag tag-ulan. Parang may sakit ang kalikasan.
It's like Mother Earth is sick and is running a fever. Studies show rising temperature could lead to more extreme weather patterns, stronger typhoons, drought, heat waves, heavy flooding, and sea level rise. More of these scenarios may well happen if people continue to disregard the consequences of the abuse inflicted on the environment.
Avon is answering this call. As a company committed to women, Avon makes a commitment to support a special woman, Mother Earth. Avon launches Hello Green Tomorrow. This is a campaign that aims to raise significant awareness on the need to nurture nature and motivate people to take simple, doable steps to protect the environment. The first in the agenda of Avon's Hello Green Tomorrow is to drive green education and to raise funds to help replant trees. By engaging millions of people globally to support this tree planting initiative, we will create a positive impact on the earth and help ensure a better world for future generations. And to help jumpstart a green lifestyle, Avon is promoting the 5 R's. Easy, simple steps to protect the environment.
Yes, there are things that we can do to save the environment. Just like me, we can practice the 5 R's. Reduce, rethink, reuse, recycle, replant. Kung malapit na ang pupuntahan ko, I ride my bike or I just walk. This way, I reduce gas consumption and CO2 emission.
Carbon dioxide or CO2 emissions have long been identified as the prime contributor to a warmer planet.
Conscious talaga ako sa environment. When I chose my new house, my concern was the surroundings. Gusto ko may trees, mahangin. It also got me started on rethinking about how I do things. I use energy-efficient light bulbs. I unplug appliances kasi may konsumo pa rin basta nakaplug. And I don't keep the water running while brushing my teeth. Sayang tubig. Little things, but big help for Mother Earth. Go for reusable bags para iwas sa paggamit ng plastic bags. Let's not be too quick to throw away paper, plastic, and glass containers. Let's recycle. The next thing I want to do is plant a tree. It's my gift to Mother Earth.
The trees are like the lungs of the earth. Ngayon, konting-konti na lang ang mga puno natin. In fact, only 7% is what's left of our forest cover. Imagine kung 7% lang ng ating lungs ang gumagana. Ang hirap huminga. It takes at least 20 years to have a full-grown tree. That's why we need to plant trees now.
Everyone can make a difference. It may be as simple as taking a Hello Green Tomorrow reusable bag. By using and reusing the bag, you have taken a big step towards helping save the environment. These bags will be available only through the Avon representatives. Each bag you buy represents a donation to the Bantay Kalikasan Reforestation Project. This is part of Avon's global effort to raise more funds so that more trees can be planted to revive our disappearing forests.
Much work remains to be done, and much help is needed from everyone. And we need to take action now. Even as ordinary citizens, there are things we can do to save the environment, but we need to act fast.
Di ba ang sarap ng feeling pag nakakatulong? Whether sa kapamilya o sa kaibigan. This time, it's Mother Earth who needs help. Eh, di ba parang nanay natin siya? Matitiis mo bang nanay mo? Let's practice the 5 R's and say hello to a great tomorrow.